y'all, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be another headband wig review. At this point, I feel like I have every headband wig possible. I have the straight ones, the curly ones, the highlighted ones, the short ones, the long ones, and now I have a more natural looking one. I'm actually excited for this one because as you guys know, I big chopped my hair back in February. So my hair is growing back. Right now, you know, it's flat twisted underneath here. But, you know, if I did want to, you know, fake it like it was my real hair, I feel like this wig would be the wig I can get away with. So if you want to see me review this headband wig, then stay tuned. And I'm catching feelings, baby. Okay, so this wig is from Wequeen hair. I've worked with them a few times before, at least twice. Also, if you watch my favorite affordable hair companies, this was in my top 5. So it comes packaged like this. You get the little bag. Inside you get a wig cap. If you follow these instructions, they'll send you a free gift. You can get either some lashes or a headband, not a headband, a flat iron. They send you care instructions on how to care for the wig, as well as the actual wig. And then you also get a bag with 4 headbands. So let me show you guys the headbands really quick. That's one thing I do love about headband wigs. And when you order them from certain companies, they come with headbands, y'all. So you get this mustard yellow one, this maroon one, this brown one, and this green one. And these are very thick, you guys. I literally cannot wait for the fall when I get to use these, especially because I feel like they might be thick enough to cover up my ears. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna try these on and see. So this is the wig. They sent me their 12-inch kinky curly, I think it's like a 3C curl pattern headband wig. So I'm gonna take the little hairnet off, and this is what it looks like. It does come with 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back, as well as the actual headband part. There we go. And it is super duper, oh my gosh, it's super soft. It is in a natural color like 1B, and like I said before, it is 12 inches. So I'm just going to put it on. Oh, it does have adjustable straps in the back as well. I had someone leave a comment on one of my videos saying that they love headband wigs, but the Velcro part actually isn't long enough to make it tight. And I'm thinking to myself, like, they have adjustable straps on here to make the wig itself smaller, but I don't know. It was from another company, so maybe that wig didn't, but most of them do. So I'm gonna put it on. And this is super duper tight, by the way, because I have it on this smallest like loop. And I never use all of the combs because I don't want it to take my hair out. But this wig is definitely snug. And this is it, just popping it on, no manipulation to the wig. This is it. So now that y'all see it, it's cute, but I gotta do something to it. So first off, I wanted to try something. If I wore this like every day, I would want to wear it as if it looked like it was my hair, and wear it kind of like it was my hair with like bangs. So I'm going to actually flip the hair over to the front. And a part of me kind of wants to cut it, but I'm not gonna cut it. But I do want to wear it to where I can wear it in my face and it look like it's actually my hair and hide the headband. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because it's right now it's real stiff because it's real stiff because it's like like new weave. You know how new curly hair be, like crunchy and stuff. So I'm gonna spray some water. This is just water, just to loosen these curls up a bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my detangling brush and brush through it. And it's gonna make it poofier, but it's also gonna look more natural and not like it's manipulated curls. And y'all, like this brush is gliding through these curls, y'all, like for real. All right, so now that it's all poofy, I'm gonna take my Aunt Jackie's Knot on My Watch Instant Therapy. It's supposed to soften and help restore balance and knots and tangles, child. It's just gonna tame some of this, basically. So I'm gonna start on this side. And it smells so good. This stuff smells like a smoothie. And I'm just gonna brush through it. And look at those curls. Look at them. I'm gonna take some more. And I'm gonna do this on around my whole head. And add some more water. I'm sorry, I'll be putting the products all in the camera. But as you guys can see, once you add product and brush it through, it makes this side longer than this one. This is super cute. This is probably the shortest curly headband wig I have. I have one that is like 14 inches. But 12 inches is definitely the shortest. I had a bob. I think I've reviewed, I have reviewed a headband wig bob on my channel as well. Like a straight bob. But I sold it. And y'all make sure you guys pay attention to, well, I always post whenever I have wig sales, but y'all, I actually have wig sales all the time. So I'm actually probably about to have one, so make sure you stay tuned. You can go look. I think I still have some left that no one has bought yet on the site. But as you guys can see, you see this side is elongated, moisturized, brushed through, and so I'm gonna do this side and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so now that the hair is brushed and combed out and wet, I'm gonna maneuver it like I had it a while ago. And I wanna bring it forward so that I have some type of bangs. And yeah, I could cut it, but I don't really want to. I'm gonna grab this and I'm kinda gonna pin it up a little bit and like pin it back like that. So I'm gonna take my bobby pins, child, if I could find some. Hold on, y'all, let me find some bobby pins. Okay, so real quick before I show you guys how to hide the headband, I want to show you guys what they look like with the headband. Super duper cute. Like literally, I feel like I could probably even kind of bring it up a little bit and possibly have a little puff. I don't know, it's kind of short, but I'll play with it. But this is what it looks like with the headband. Super cute. And I'm sure y'all will see it like that in the thumbnail. But I did want to show you guys that it does look cute with the actual headband. This is the yellow one. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how to hide the headband. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to hide the headband. So you're gonna take your bang pieces, what you think is gonna be your bangs. So like basically this front part, right? And because the bangs, you could just leave it, but of course it's too long. So what I'm gonna do is take it, I'm gonna flip it back. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna pin it. Like I'm gonna push it forward and pin this on both sides. Okay, then I'm literally gonna flip it back over. And now I have bangs. Okay, so of course, as you can see, it's kind of poofy. So you're just gonna take some more bobby pins and literally just pin and try to hide it. And then you can literally make it frame your face. If you want to cut it, you can. I'm not going to, obviously, because I like the big fro look. But, oh, I look like my sister. If you guys have ever seen my sister Kaya with her fro out, this is what she looks like. Except for her fro is much bigger. But this is how you hide it. And this is so cute. I kind of want to take some more of this stuff. And I'm just going to, you know, shingle it just to the, because it's getting kind of frizzy. Just to keep it defined. And y'all, literally this plus the hoops is definitely a vibe. Like, I literally cannot wait until my hair, my natural hair, my real hair, gets this big. Because this is a look, for sure. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys go and get this wig from Wequeen Hair. This is their kinky curly wig in 12 inches. Of course, it comes with 4 headbands. You can wear it that way, or you can rock it as a full wig. Like, literally no part, just put on and go. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye guys.